easy now. Keep moving through. All right, straight ahead, girls. Gently now.
The dirty wool is then dumped into large scouring machines.
Finally, the cleaned wool is collected into large, soft piles on conveyor belts, fully prepared for the next stage.
As the rollers continue, the wool fibers begin to align in a single direction, creating a smoother and more uniform. The carding machines repeatedly comb the fibers, refining them further with each pass.
These fibers are then compressed into continuous strips, preparing them for spinning. The motion of the machinery is rhythmic and continuous.
Finally, perfectly prepared fiber rolls are stacked and stored, ready for the spinning process that will turn them into. The newly formed yarn becomes stronger and more compact as the twisting continues. Each strand gains durability and consistency through controlled tension.
Tension control systems carefully regulate the spinning speed, ensuring the yarn does not break or weaken during production. Everything is finely balanced. More red in here. Add the yellow. Turn up the heat. Look at the inconsistency right here. The weave is too loose.
Yes, I see it. It fails the strength test.
Noted. Rejecting this batch. This sleeve pattern on the screen doesn't quite match the physical sample's drape.
We should check the grain line adjustment.
The fabric weight might be affecting the flow here.
Keep stretching it tight. Make sure that tension is perfect. I found a loose thread here. Needs to be redone.
The garments now take their final form, fully assembled and shaped into complete clothing items, ready for finishing and pressing in the next stage.
Barcode tagging systems are applied to each clothing item, allowing tracking and inventory management for global distribution.
Make sure they are sealed tightly.
Yes, I checked the last batch already.
Watch the clearance on the left. Okay, hold it right there.